Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can we face the problem that external bio link is not working in our Instagram account. So let's get started our video. First of all, I will show you the main problem. You have to just click on edit profile, and here you have to add link here in the external link, and then paste here the link, and then give any one the title that you want to give here. Like I am giving the subscribe here, and when I just click on it, here is the problem. Something went wrong, please try again. You have to just take a screenshot of this problem and then go back and click on the three lines at the very top right corner of the page, and then click on the settings option here like this, and then you have to just click on the help and then click on report a problem here, and just shake phone to report a problem. Turn this option off and then click on the report a problem here. You have to select the screenshot from your gallery of that problem. Like I am selecting from my gallery here like this, and here you have to make a short description about your problem. Any suitable words like hello team, I am experiencing, describe your problem, and then just click on the next option and then done. And yes, you have done it successfully. You have to just click on the close. Within 24 hours your problem will be considered and solved. If you have any question related to this topic, you can leave a comment below. And that's all for this video. I hope you like the video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guys see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.